Another fine vehicle offered by Tacoma Dodge Chrysler Jeep.
This is a 2004 Jeep Wrangler, ready for the trail. It has a 4.0-liter 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear window defroster, a CD player, alloy wheels, and cruise control. Not to mention that this Jeep qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Tacoma Dodge Chrysler Jeep is located at 4101 South Tacoma Way in Tacoma. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.
We're back in town. The new Tacoma Dodge Chrysler Jeep, conveniently located at 38th and South Tacoma Way. More than 400 new Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles available. We've got your Ram Tough trucks. If you want a Wrangler, we've rounded them all up. We're so big, we've got over 30 Dodge Challengers. We've got 0% financing or get huge immediate rebates.